Welcome to Hindustan Sim Center. Flight simulator are the advanced technology to train the pilots initially and also on the regular basis during their career as a refresher course. We have two advanced flight simulator devices, Alsim AL50 and Alsim 250. Alsim is based in France, is one of the leading flight simulator manufacturers in the world. These simulators resembles actual cockpit of DA-42, Cessna 172, Piper Seneca and Piper Seminole. Flying in these simulators are real close to the actual aircraft flying. Pilots who are getting their CPL are also trained in these simulators, as these simulators are approved by DGCA, EASA and FAA. This is the only school in India which provides flight simulator training as well as the real aircraft flying experience. Now let's have the flying simulator session with our team. As a part of our flying simulator team, we have Dr. Dalbir, flight simulator coordinator, who will be assisting me on flight instructor station, and we have Sai Ram, BTech third year student, for flying experience on the simulator.
We are going to have flight simulator training which will give the practical exposure to the student of aeronautical sciences, commercial pilots and aviation enthusiasts.
Hi Sai Ram, today we will be flying to Incheon Airport in South Korea. Now we are in Gimpo Airport. We will ask for the startup with the ATC, then we will go. Wear your headset.
Yes, sir.
Gimpo ground, this is Victor Tango Tango India Alpha requesting startup for flight to Incheon Airport. POB 02 through security, endurance 0430.
Victor Tango, Victor India Alpha, good morning. Startup approved QNH 1012, time 0610.
QNH 1012, startup approved, qualify for taxi, Victor India Alpha. Okay, we have taken the permission from the ATC. Now we'll start the engine. Switch on the left engine. Yeah, hold it. After startup checklist, fit out heat on. Switch it off now. Yeah, de-icing off. Propeller de-icing off. De-icing off. Avionics is on. Landing gears is okay. Flaps okay. Let's switch on the system. We can use the taxi lights on. Is this taxi lights on? Yeah, I will take the report from the ATC and then we'll carry on. Gimpo ground, Victor Tango Tango India Alpha requesting taxi.
Yeah, Victor Tango, Victor India Alpha, taxi via Papa, hold short runway 14L.
Taxi via Papa, hold short 14L Victor India Alpha. We'll taxi out now. Parking brace released. Okay, relax, we'll go. Follow the yellow line.
Yes.
Holding short runway 14L.
Yeah, Victor India Alpha, contact tower on 118.10.
118.10 Victor India Alpha. Tower Victor India Alpha, holding short runway 14L.
Victor India Alpha, clearance correct, confirm, ready for takeoff.
Enter lineup runway 14L, ready to copy clearance. Go ahead, sir. Tower Victor India Alpha, go ahead with the clearance, sir.
Yeah, Victor India Alpha, cleared to Incheon Airport via Whiskey at flight level 120 after takeoff, runway 14L, turn right heading 228, initially climb to flight level 070 and then flight level 120.
Understand, clear to take off runway 14L, correction, clear to Incheon Airport. After takeoff, runway 14L, turn right heading 228, initially climb to 070, then straight to 130, Victor India Alpha.
Yeah, Victor India Alpha, clearance correct, confirm, ready for takeoff.
We are clear for we are ready for takeoff, sir. Victor India Alpha.
Cleared for Victor India Alpha, cleared for takeoff, 14, winds 110, 05 knots.
Your winds 11005 knots, clear for takeoff. Victor India Alpha. Rolling. Release brakes, yeah. X. Maintain center line.
Yes, sir. Gear up.
Gear up. Positive rate of climb. Gear up. Hold this. So turn right heading 228. Maintain the airspeed.
Yes, sir.
228. Roll out. Slowly. Okay. So now we are climbing to flight level 70 now. That is 7,500 feet.
Yes, sir.
So the ATC has asked us to fly to 7,500. We are climbing out of 2,100
Yes,
now
sir.
at a rate of 1,100. We will be maintaining this airspeed until we reach our
Destination.
altitude of 120 flight level.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
we are drifting from your track. Just fly a little bit right to keep on
Yes,
ourselves
sir.
in the track.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Should I do it? Put it like this. Come on, yeah, look at me. Yeah, now we are coming closer to the track. Once we are on the track, then fly again. Turn left, heading 261.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Right.
Yeah, just let the aircraft come on the track. Once it's on the track, then you can fly heading 261.
Yes, sir.
You're almost on the track now.
Yes,
Turn
sir.
heading 261. Keep climbing. Not that much, slightly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Settle with the aircraft. Yeah. Keep turning. Keep the heading to 261 now.
Okay, sir.
Try maintaining heading 261. Yeah. Good. Okay. As you can see, we
Yes,
have
sir.
reached our destined altitude. Now we will straighten the aircraft
Yes, sir.
and then reduce the throttle.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Reduce the throttle. Manifold pressure. Around 2100 RPM. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold it. Straight and level flight.
Yes, sir.
Hold the controls there. We
Yes.
can retrim the aircraft. I'll retrim for you.
Yes, sir.
Now we are under cruising altitude. Now I will show you how this weather can be changed in the simulators.
Okay, sir.
Dr. Dalvi sir, can you change the weather settings and time settings for us, sir?
I'll just do the time setting now. And
Yeah,
then
please.
We'll go to the weather setting.
Just wait in this. This is the night. Complete night background for you.
Yes, sir. Check.
So please change to the evening mode. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The 1749, please. Yeah. So this will be the evening setting for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We can bring up the clouds. Now we'll be flying around different weather conditions. Dr.
Okay,
Dalvi
sir.
sir, can you introduce some clouds for us?
Yes, I will.
Yeah, that's fine. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Dr. Dalvi sir, can you increase the density of the clouds? Little high. Hold on the top of the cloud and then you can increase.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sai, can you see the clouds around you?
Yes, sir.
Now you can fly around through this.
Yes, sir.
Dalvi sir, can you please introduce the range for us?
Yeah, I can. One now.
Yeah, now range is there. Can you see the range?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you cannot see. Dalvi sir, please clear the weather for us. Clear weather. Sai, now we'll be flying through clouds. Dalvi sir, can you introduce some clouds for us?
Yeah, I'll be introducing the clouds for you right now. You will be flying through the clouds. Hope you can see in front of you.
Dalvi sir, can you introduce some mountains for us?
Yeah, I can introduce the mountains for you. Right now, you'll be flying through the mountains.
Niche. Yeah, thank you sir. Can you see the mountains now?
Yes, sir.
We are flying through the mountains.
Yes.
Sai, now we are flying in the middle of Himalayas.
Yes, sir.
If you see here, you can see the red dots which will be higher than our altitude.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the green dots are the safe zones and the yellow one is the caution range.
Okay, sir.
So we can fly through looking at the radar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the GPS for you.
Okay, sir.
Now I will be showing you the autopilot hold.
Okay, sir.
That we are flying one heading of 192. If you have to hold that heading and you have to sit back and relax, understand? So what you have to do, you have to put the aircraft on the autopilot.
Autopilot.
Press the autopilot button. Yeah, good. And then press this heading button. Press it once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can relax your hands. Aircraft is flying on autopilot.
Yes, sir.
If you try to change the heading with manually, it will not change your heading. Why? Because the aircraft is an autopilot.
Okay, sir.
How to disengage autopilot is by disengage button by there. Press it 2 times, it will disengage autopilot.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now if you turn the control column, aircraft. Engine approach. Victor Tango Tango India Alpha at flight level 070.
Victor India Alpha, radar identified, cleared for ILS approach, runway 15 left, report established.
Call you established, Victor India Alpha. Now we have asked for the descent and we will be doing our landing checks. First,
sir.
reduce the throttle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Good. This increase.
Landing it down.
Yeah, landing gets down. Hold the controls.
Yes, sir.
Flaps down. Okay. Taxi. Landing lights on.
Landing lights on.
Approach Victor India Alpha. Established. 15 left.
Victor India Alpha, 8 miles to touchdown, contact tower 118.1.
118.1. Contact tower Victor India Alpha. Tower Victor India Alpha on runway 15 left.
Victor India Alpha, cleared to land ILS, runway 15 left, winds 180, 07 knots.
Clear to land 15, ILS 15 left, winds copied, Victor India Alpha. Now try to maintain we have taken the clearance from the ATC.
Yes, sir.
Now one hand on the throttle, we are good. Now try to, don't reduce it, yeah, maintain. Try to maintain the height,
Yes, sir.
yeah, slowly. Be gentle with the control columns.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
pull the controls, reduce the throttle more.
Yes, sir.
One hand on the throttle,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Just maintain the left. Can you see?
Yes,
3
sir.
runways, left, center and right.
Okay, sir.
Bit of increasing the throttle.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the 4 yellow lights?
Yes, sir.
So we are a little high, so we need to reduce our height.
Yes,
As
sir.
we come down, you can be seeing the red. Can you see the changes in the lights?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we have to come little more down. That will be our correct approach to runway 15 left.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the correct approach. Follow this, follow the center line.
Yes,
Look
sir.
at the end of the runway.
Yes, sir.
Now landing lights are visible for you clearly.
Visible, sir.
It's runway approach lights.
Reducing throttle.
Wait for the reducing the throttle. Aim for the touchdown marking. Can you see the
Descending.
touchdown marking? The bright white spot on the runway.
Yes, sir.
We are over the threshold now. Now it is written 15 left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rounding off. Star Victor India Alpha landed.
India Alpha. Get via taxi Papa. Contact ground 121.650.
Taxi via Papa. 121.1 Victor. Okay, now we are vacating the taxiway.
Yes, sir.
We will vacate via taxiway now.
Yes, sir.
We have landed in Incheon Airport.
Yes,
Try
sir.
to maintain the center line.
Yes, sir.
Only left rudder.
Yes, sir.
Ground Victor India Alpha vacated runway on taxiway Delta 2.
Yeah, taxi via Papa. Hold short taxiway hotel.
Taxi via Papa, hold short runway. Holding short Vic. Hold. Now maintain center line.
Yes, sir.
Runway. Holding short. Cover.
Yeah, Victor India Alpha. Taxi via runway hotel. 7 to stand 27.
Total 7 to stand 27 Victor India Alpha. Stand 27 to switching off Victor India Alpha.
We have landed in Incheon Airport, stand number 27 as advised by ATC. This is how they fly in the real aircraft and this is how it is exactly done. Okay, we will be doing our after landing procedures. You switch off the landing lights, switch off the navigation lights, stove lights, flaps up, Switch off the comms. Avionics off. Avionics off. Fuel pump off. Fuel pump off. Left engine fuel pump off. Okay. Switching off the engine. Yeah, everything is off. Got it? Right engine's parameters off, the white switch off. Yeah. Yeah, then the master's red one. Okay? Thank you.